We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this new variant of COVID-19 that is scaring the world. We'll be looking at how to say more dangerous variant names as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more pronunciations. So this is named after a Greek letter, the 15th of the Greek alphabet, I believe. Now in English it is admitted that it is generally said as Omicron, Omicron, so O-M-cron. Now in American English it can be said also as Omicron, and more open R sound. So in English, Omicron or Omicron. Now, because this is a Greek letter, in Greek it is said more as Omicron, Omicron. So you can say Omicron as well, but in English again, it's generally said as Omicron, Omicron. And now you know.